I'm sure you guys have seen at this point, but Apple today unveiled their first new product since I believe 2015, since the Apple Watch, which at this point, almost a decade ago, right guys? It's called the Vision Pro, which you guys see right here. So what these are, guys, is they're a mixed reality headset. So in other words, augmented reality and virtual reality kind of combined here, and they're going to be available in the US early next year, and I believe they're retailing for $3,000, $34.99. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but yeah, over $3,000. So the Vision Pros can do a lot of things, right? We can see they're an immersive way to experience entertainment. That's one of the things they could do here. Vision Pro can transform any room into your own personal theater, expand your movies, shows, and games up to the perfect size while feeling like you're a part of the action with spatial audio. And with more pixels than a 4K TV for each eye, you can enjoy stunning content wherever you are. That's pretty cool. Probably the thing I would probably use them for. Another cool thing here is Apple's first 3D camera is now available. Well, not now, but available with the Vision Pro. You can capture magical spatial photos and spatial videos in 3D. So that's a quick breakdown of what the Vision Pros are. Of course, we can do a part 2 and a part 3, so make sure you guys follow along. And look, their stock hit $185 today, which is an all-time high for Apple. Pretty crazy.